Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. A binary puzzle. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 29th, 2025. It's also today War Day number 1064. 1064 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Today is also Chinese New Year. Yeah, so happy New Year to all. Alright, in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Now I will start with the continue with the binary puzzle number 9989. Yeah, we have I believe 12 puzzles left. Yeah? Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By 10. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's, 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 here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Then double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the ones comes in O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes in O. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Then double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Double O's, here one, there one. Come on. I'm stuck now. Well. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Between the ones comes in O. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So here should be also O and a 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 4 O's in a row in the last column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Here also. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think we need to compare here. The question is which row, which column. Yeah. Oh, 10. This is not the same, not the same. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is okay. 101. 101 and 101. 01. Okay. This 100. Yeah, we got you. This row and that row. Let me compare. 11 empty box. 11 So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be no. We have O here. This should be a 1. Double ones here, no, there, no. Double O's here, 1, there, 1. Okay. And now, how about this one? 10, 100. Yeah. This row and that row. Okay. Let me compare. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have 0 here, this should be a 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. In 7 minutes, we solve it again. Need to compare twice, but we solve again. And I like this one here, so really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Wednesday.